Okay, so now we're going to get really fancy and we are going to count some eighth notes. Okay, so here's our measure. We're still in 4/4 time. We still got that half note here in the beginning. That's 2 beats. And if you can see, what I did is I sort of wrote out the count, and you could do this too when you sort of do your own exercises. These 2 notes here, these eighth notes, if you remember, an eighth note is half a beat. So 2 of them is going to equal a quarter note. Okay? So 2 of these together is going to be 1 beat. Alright? If you notice, I just want to show you how I sort of connected them. If you remember our lectures, how we talked about the eighth note looking like this, that's the same note, it's just connected to another one. Wanted to show you that too, in case you're wondering, like, what is that? That's an eighth note. So each of these eighth notes is going to be a half a beat. So together they're going to equal 1 beat. So if you look, we still have those 4 beats. We have the 1, 2, 3, 4, because these together are 1. They're half each. So this is where we're going to sort of use that and, that up beat. Okay? So the way we're going to count this, 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and. Do you see how I'm clapping on the and? Because before, with a quarter note, we're holding on the and because that's a half a beat. But now, since we have the eighth notes, those are worth a half a beat. So you're going to be clapping on the and, which means you're going to be playing these notes on the and. So let's listen to that one more time. 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and. Alright, now just let me show you. Just watch my hands, okay? 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and. 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and. That's how you're going to count that out. Now I know at first this is going to be really, it's going to sound kind of really complex, and that's because this is all new. If this seems really overwhelming, I would keep practicing with those half notes and quarter notes before you sort of add in the eighth notes, okay? Just really get them down, and then it won't seem as complex. But that's how you count this out. 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and. So if you were to play it on the harp, it would be 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and. That's what that would sound like. Of course, I just picked any random notes because this isn't about finding the notes, but this is the beat. 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and. Okay? And that is going to equal your 4 beats, so that is going to be the timing for this measure. Okay? Now, next time, I'm going to show you how we're going to do the exact same thing. We're just going to sort of add in some rests. Okay? Alright, see you then.